Ever felt like you're on the brink of a deeper understanding, seeking more pieces to complete the beauty and marvel of life and your awakening journey? Welcome to Vortex Tribe, where we journey into the heart of consciousness, energy, and universal truths. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Understanding Stoicism. What is Stoicism? In short, Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches you how to cultivate inner strength, resilience, and peace of mind by focusing on what you can control and accepting what you cannot. It emphasizes living a virtuous life in harmony with nature and finding tranquility amidst life's challenges. Within Stoicism, the notion of nature encompasses human behavior and innate tendencies. Stoicism is based on several core principles, including the four cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance or moderation. Another foundational concept is the dichotomy of control. Beyond these pillars, Stoicism encompasses broader principles such as living in accordance with nature, practicing negative visualization, and recognizing the limits of our control. Courage. Courage is more than just bravery in the face of danger. It's also about facing challenges with strength and resilience. It involves standing up for what is right, persevering in the midst of adversity, putting yourself out there, and acting in accordance with one's principles despite fear or uncertainty. Man conquers the world by conquering himself. Zeno. Wisdom. Wisdom involves having good judgment, understanding what truly matters in life, using reason to make sound decisions, and the pursuit of knowledge. It's about seeing things clearly, even in difficult situations, and cultivating a deeper understanding of oneself and the world. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Seneca. Justice. Justice is about fairness and treating others with respect and equality. It involves recognizing and upholding what is morally right, even when it's not easy or popular. Justice also encompasses the idea of fulfilling one's obligations and duties to society and others. Just do the right thing, the rest doesn't matter. Marcus Aurelius. Temperance. Temperance or moderation is all about balance and self-control. It's about knowing when to indulge and when to abstain, avoiding extremes in behavior, and living a life of moderation and restraint. We should discipline ourselves in small things, and from these progress to things of greater value. Marcus Aurelius. These four cardinal virtues form the foundation of Stoic ethics, guiding individuals in leading a life of moral integrity, wisdom, and inner peace. The dichotomy of control. This principle emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between things we can control and things we cannot. According to Stoic philosophy, we should focus our efforts and attention only on what is within our control, such as our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. By letting go of concerns about things beyond our control, such as external events and other people's actions, we can find greater peace of mind and live with greater resilience and equanimity. Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within your control, and some things are not. Epictetus. Living in accordance with nature. Stoicism teaches us to align our actions and decisions with the natural order of human nature and the universe, recognizing our interconnectedness with all things. By living in harmony with our nature and the order of the universe, we can find greater peace and fulfillment in our lives. If you live in harmony with nature, you will never be poor. If you live according to what others think, you will never be rich. Seneca. Practicing negative visualization. Negative visualization involves contemplating worst-case scenarios for the occasional short period of time to gain perspective and appreciation for what you have. By imagining the loss of possessions or loved ones, we can develop gratitude for the present moment and cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. The man who has anticipated the coming of troubles takes away their power when they arrive. Seneca, recognizing the limits of our control. Stoicism reminds us to recognize the limits of our control and to let go of concerns about things beyond our control. By focusing on what is within our power, we can find greater peace of mind and resilience in the face of life's uncertainties. We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. Epictetus. Together, these principles form a comprehensive framework aimed at cultivating wisdom, resilience, and inner peace within individuals treading the path of self-discovery or those practicing Stoicism. Stoicism's origins. Zeno, the philosopher, was credited with founding Stoicism around the 3rd century BC. Legend suggests he arrived at a bookshop in Athens after surviving a shipwreck. Fascinated by the teachings of Socrates, he wanted to meet other like-minded people, which he did. They used to gather around the Stoa Poikila, which Stoa translates to painted porch. This was where the busy marketplace was, and Stoa is where Stoicism derived its name. Zeno started the first Stoic school, and many of the schools were active for several centuries in Greece and Rome. There were many Stoic philosophers, but the ones we hear most about and who continue to inspire countless individuals are Seneca, who was one of the most famous Stoic writers, Epictetus, who was a former slave turned philosopher, and Marcus Aurelius, who was also one of Rome's greatest emperors. Stoicism continues to influence and inspire to this day, despite their formal institutions fading away. Exploring Stoic philosophy today. Despite the passage of centuries and the decline of formal Stoic institutions, the philosophy of Stoicism remains as relevant and impactful as ever in the modern world. While the bustling marketplaces of ancient Athens and Rome may have given way to the digital landscapes of today, the core principles of Stoicism continue to resonate deeply with individuals seeking wisdom and guidance in their lives. In a world filled with uncertainty and constant change, Stoicism offers a sturdy anchor amidst the tumultuous seas of life. Its practical teachings provide a timeless framework for navigating the complexities of human existence, offering valuable insights into how we can cultivate resilience, inner peace, and a sense of purpose. Today, people from all walks of life are drawn to Stoicism's practical teachings and timeless insights. From entrepreneurs and leaders to students and artists, many find solace and strength in the principles of Stoic philosophy. Stoic practices for everyday life. Here are 3 simple and practical steps for incorporating Stoic practices into everyday life. Morning reflections. Start your day with a few moments of reflection. Take a few deep breaths and contemplate what lies within your control for the day ahead. Set intentions for how you will respond to challenges with resilience and virtue. Remind yourself of the Stoic virtues, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, and strive to embody them in your actions throughout the day. Journaling. Dedicate some time each day to journaling. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, reflecting on how they align with Stoic principles. Use your journal as a tool for self-examination and growth, identifying areas where you can cultivate greater wisdom, resilience, and inner peace. Practice gratitude by acknowledging the things you are thankful for, even in the face of adversity. Pause and reflect. Throughout your day, take intentional pauses to reflect on your thoughts and reactions. When faced with challenges or moments of stress, pause for a brief moment to assess your emotions and thoughts. Ask yourself, is this within my control? How can I respond with virtue and wisdom? Use these moments of reflection to course-correct and align your actions with Stoic principles, fostering greater self-awareness and emotional resilience. By incorporating these simple Stoic practices into your everyday routine, you can cultivate greater resilience, inner peace, and a deeper sense of purpose in your life. If you are enjoying this video, please show your support by hitting the like button. It helps me more than you know. Subscribe for more educational content that helps to raise our collective consciousness. Until next time.